My priority as I embark on this journey of leading the National Police Service is on police professionalism at the service to the members of the public. Building public trust and confidence in the police remains a key pillar as we strive for the highest standards of professionalism and discipline. Number 3, my second focus is on community engagement. We understand that our mandate as a law enforcement agency calls for sustained police-public relations. That way, we will strengthen the trust and confidence on each side. I want to urge the members of the public to work with the service so that we can be able to ensure that there is safety and security in our country. All manner of criminals, including cattle rustlers, including terrorists and those who create terror, we don't have space for them. They better look for some other businesses to do.
So mine is to reiterate that as officers of the National Police Service, we are not holding the so-called the Kitengela 3. They are not in our custody. Any person that is arrested by officers of the National Police Service is taken to a gazetted police officer, like I said. We don't have any other detention facility. We don't detain them. We apprehend them. If they are culpable, we process and take them before court. If they are not culpable and the investigation exonerates them, then we release them. So that matter of the Kitengela 3 is under investigation. We have received the report and our officers are working day and night to make sure that they are rescued in whichever way or in whichever manner.